NYSE-listed Booz Allen provides technology solutions to secure the U.S. government. They handle everything from .gov websites to security for soldiers on the battlefield. They launched a VC arm in 2022 that invests in early-stage companies that address critical mission needs at the center of national security. I'm joined now by Matt Calderone, CFO of Booz Allen. Matt, welcome to NYSE TV.
Thanks for having me.
You recently announced that Booz Allen has tripled its venture capital funding commitment from 100 million to 300 million. Why did the company choose to do this?
Yeah, so we've been bringing advanced technology and commercial technology to government for decades. Actually, many of the current defense and commercial tech unicorns got their start in government with us. So about a decade ago, we launched a tech scouting group that formalized our ability to scout for and help bring in innovative startup companies to government. We look at about 1,000 companies a year. So it was a very natural extension of that work to launch our ventures program in July of 2022. And the results have been fantastic. In fact, so strong that we've already deployed the vast majority of our $100 million initial commitment and made the decision to triple our commitment really easy.
So what kind of companies and technologies are you looking to invest in the most?
So, our sweet spot really is seed to Series B companies, companies that we can help get launched in government, grow, accelerate, get through the valley of death. What makes us really different is how deeply we understand not just the mission, but the technology environment that surrounds where these companies need to operate. So we start with two foundational questions. First, will this startup's technology solve a critical unmet mission need? Or second, will it fundamentally advance America's technical superiority? We're in this great race with China and with other adversarial nations for technical superiority. So that's a huge focus of ours. And this really makes us complementary with more traditional VCs we partner with all the time that understand how to build and scale companies. So we start mission back, and we've been investing in cyber, in AI, defense tech, and deep tech areas like quantum. And with the expansion of our fund, we're going to get into reindustrialization of America as well, which is a real priority of the incoming administration.
Can you provide examples of the types of technology these companies that you're investing in are providing and what problem they are solving?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're working with companies that are doing everything from detecting deepfakes to developing next generation quantum chips to a company called Hidden Level. I'll give you that as an example of how we work with these companies. So what Hidden Level does is they provide really highly advanced radio frequency detection and direction finding capabilities. Think passive radar. Now, Booz Allen, we build counter UAS or counter unmanned aerial systems. So what we've done with Hidden Level is we brought them on some of our programs. We surrounded them with other technologies that will amplify what they do, including some that we build our own. And what that allows for is for them to get into the mission faster, right? To deliver results to the warfighter in some of the most contested areas all around the world. So we're delivering extraordinary value together.
Booz Allen Adventures launched in 2022, and you've made 17 investments over the past 3 years. What kind of results have you seen from those investments to date?
Very positive. So financially, and it's still early, we're only 3 years in, our results are in the top decile of comparable early stage funds. But really, we're a strategic investor. And strategically, we're building with and around these companies. We're shaping and winning work together. We're giving access to our broad customer base. But most importantly, we're demonstrating value for our customer base. It's good for them, it's good for us, and it's good for the mission. It's really changed the perception of Booz Allen as well. Booz Allen is 111 years old. We just celebrated our 110th anniversary at the stock exchange last year. And we're incredibly proud of our legacy, but people, I don't think have realized how much Booz Allen has developed into an advanced technology company and increasingly advanced technology that builds things.
What does Booz Allen do when it first invests in a startup? And can you give me an example?
As part of the investment process, we talk to the founders. And look, good companies don't need our money. What they need is our ability to help them grow. So actually, as part of the deal process, we're bringing on both sides to where we think areas for synergy are. very much like you would do in an M&A transaction. So, immediately post-closing, and oftentimes we're working with these companies already. And equity is just a way to securitize the relationship and align incentives. So, immediately post-close, what we'll do is we'll sit down with them, our market leaders. We've invested in a number of cyber companies. Booz Allen has $3 billion worth of cyber business, including 150 million in the commercial cyber space. And we say, how can we go to market together? How can we build together? What makes sense from a strategic roadmap?
And what can we expect next from Booz Allen Ventures?
So we've seen significant incremental interest even this week post the announcement. We've had 150 new companies reach out to us who want us to invest in them. And we've gotten dozens of calls from name brand venture capital firms. Again, most of these investments were co-investing with multiple VCs. And there's a lot of interest from them to do more together. So I think what you're going to see is more investments. And hopefully we're going to help create some of the next wave of real unicorns that with our help are making America safer, stronger, and faster.
Matt Calderone, CFO of Booz Allen, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.